All right, guys, congratulations on your cruise. Man, I could use one right about now. We got some cruise stuff for you guys, all right? We've got let me make sure I get all these right. I want to exhibit all these for you. So we have the waterproof pouches. These lanyards are great. You can wear them around your neck. You can wear them around your arm. They're adjustable. Like this will adjust longer or shorter. But you have an easy clip, right? And this easily extends. So if you're using this as your room key or to scan to buy drinks or anything like that, if you've got your ID in here and you need to show it, you've got this to crank it out. You got two of them, right? You got a red one and you got a blue one, all right? High quality. Those are going to be great. You also have you've got elastic towel bands right here to basically keep your towels tied down when you're on the bed, when you're like laying out on the deck. You know, when you're on a cruise, it can get a little windy. Okay, you also have, these are kind of cool. Let's face it, if you've never been on a cruise before, you may not know. There could be some seasickness. And you've got nausea wristbands. We've got two of them. So this is great for a couple, two people, or maybe two friends that are going on a cruise together. Basically, you get something that's going to be good enough for both of you. Then we have the cruise travel adapter. So this just gives you, you've got one little plug there, which gives you 1, 2, 3, 4 outlets and 2 USBs. Straight up. That's a good value just in and of itself because that is super compact. I like that. In fact, I just like that. And then lastly, you've got 4 luggage tags. So this is great. You want to make sure you're tracking that stuff. The cruise company does a really good job, but if these will allow you to just laminate, kind of like have them protected, and to make sure that you're not going to get anything lost. You know, it kind of puts your mind at ease. You're going on a cruise, you want to be able to like take your mind off of any stresses. All of these things just kind of make your cruise a little easier and just help you have a little more fun. You also have these magnetic hooks that can obviously stick to anything magnetic, like a fridge or somewhere in your room where you can hang stuff. So that's kind of just useful, especially when you're traveling. But that's the 16-piece cruise accessories. And this is basically for 2 people. You're going on a cruise. I just went through these. These are high quality. If this is what you're looking for, I think the 2 main things I think are the biggest quality are going to be the lanyards and the outlet adapter.